As Goa goes to polls on February 14 in a single phase, the Trinamool Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party and Shiv Sena are in the fray this time. The state with 40 assembly seats will in fact see a firecracker contest. Goan Catholic heavyweight and former Chief Minister of Goa, Churchill Alamau, has joined the Trinamool Congress, calling it the only party which can beat the BJP. Churchill Alamau has spoken exclusively to India Today's Nabila Jamal, a seasoned politician. Churchill Alamau is ready to fight the 2022 elections as a TMC candidate now. Alamau trained guns at the Modi government, adding that only Didi can face Prime Minister Modi in the state and the centre. With no hopes for Congress in Goa, Alamau said Congress once used to be an ocean but has now reduced to being just a pond. State of Goa is set to go for polls on the 14th of February to elect 40 members, and the results will be declared on March 10. Listen in.
Goa goes to polls
They're
with
hoping
barely
for
40
victory. Now, the recent big figure who's joined the TMC in Goa is Churchill Alamau, who is the former Chief Minister of Goa, a two-time Lok Sabha MP. Big figure who's joined the TMC in Goa is Churchill Alamau, who is the former Chief Minister of Goa, a two-time Lok Sabha MP, as well as five-time MLA. Churchill Alamau, thank you very much for speaking to us. You have now joined the TMC, and there's a lot of talk about how you've managed a winning streak through your political career. How confident are you that you will win with the TMC ticket this time?
I'm a man of the people. Churchill Alamau is a Churchill Alamau. But I'm a man of the peoples. The peoples make me a leader, not any party. So I joined in the TMC because TMC only party can fight in the center. And only Didi, Mamata Banerjee, she is a 100% stood for the Prime Minister seat, and she only can fight, nobody else. That is the reason I joined this party, and this party, I know Mamata Banerjee, not today, 96, she came in MP by Congress ticket. That time, was the Congress is a big ocean. Now it has become a pond. So that is the reason everybody gone from the Congress. Like Sharad Pawar once a time, is a opposition leader for the Congress.
Right.
He left, Mamata left, everybody gone. That time the Rajiv Gandhi, I can say he is the late Rajiv Gandhi. He is the best Prime Minister of India once a time, and not only India, whole world accepted. But today that time there was the ocean like a Congress. Now there is it's become a pond. So that all
Mr. Alamau, the Congress party in Goa is a principal opposition. Do you believe that it will have any weightage this time?
They have no principle. If they got a principle, how the people were elected 17, and I was the person who not given a ticket, and I was elected by my Bengali constituency people, my loving people, they elected me. No chance TMC is going to form the government.
TMC will form it alone? Are you looking at an alliance?
Alliance with the MGP.
Okay, you're not looking at an alliance with the Congress?
That is, we'll see the after, but today they don't want anybody, no. The Congress don't want anybody. Because Congress, when I was given them proposal last time, that they said, they are asking who is the TMC, who is the NCP. Like that they were talking. They alone, they were trying to go, no. So let them go, and what will happen? Then you are going to come to know. But TMC is going to form the government.
So are you open for
by alliance with the MGP?
Are you open for an alliance with the Congress post the election?
I see my leaders are there. Didi Mamata Banerjee is there. What she'll take the decision, I don't know. But I am telling to you, TMC is going to form the government, alliance with the MGP, and maybe we got a shot, the people will come run with us.
Mr. Alamau, you are fighting an AAP candidate in your constituency. In fact, AAP is also a significant player. They seem to be catching some pulse on ground. What's your take on AAP?
I tell you, AAP is nothing different. They are also the B team of the BJP.
So are you calling AAP the BJP's B team?
100%. There's no doubt. Top they are fighting, inside they are together.
All right. Well, you are also contesting from your constituency against an AAP candidate, and we believe, since yours is a Catholic Christian-dominated constituency.
I am contesting in my constituency. Every people are there, like the AAP, Congress, then can say RG, then can say some many. So everybody want to fight with me, no? So let them fight with me, because my people know what is I am Churchill Alemao. I am a people's man. The peoples are with me. I have no problem.
So you believe, Mr. Alemao, that the TMC will keep the peace and harmony in the state of Goa, and you all will come to a thumping victory?
100%. You see that Didi Mamata Banerjee, if you go and see that Calcutta, 70% are Hindu, 20% are Muslims, and 3% are Catholic. When our Mother Teresa, she's become a saint, the whole world came there. And her convent wanted to demolish sometime long back. And that Didi Mamata Banerjee came running on the same time and he saved that convent. So she wanted to take Hindu, Catholic, Muslim together. So this type people we wanted in future in India. We don't want anybody doing the communal thing, because see, if you go to see other things, for me, I'm a Catholic, I eat the beef. Maybe Hindu not eating the beef. Muslim can eat the beef. But who told you to ban the beef? Which constitution said ban the beef? In which article? It's a forcibly you are doing. You are forcibly doing. Constitution never said you to stop the beef. You are exporting the beef, but you are not eating the beef for us. So this is the thing that going wrong. This is the BJP doing all that thing wrong. That is why we want to throw out the BJP. And only throw out the BJP is the only Didi Mamata Banerjee can do it. Nobody is going forward otherwise. Everybody fears.
So you're saying Mamata Banerjee is the only tough fight against Narendra Modi?
Yes, yes.
All right. Mr. Alemao, I really appreciate you joining us and sharing your thoughts. I wish you all the very best for your constituency. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.